In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and customize your site using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. To get started, you'll first need to go to wix.com and log into your account if you haven't already. This will bring you to your dashboard where you can access all your site management tools. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your site in the editor. Look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This will take you directly to the site editor interface. Here is where all the magic happens, allowing you to personalize and adjust your web page to fit your vision. Now direct your attention to the header of your site. Click on it. If a message appears saying this is a site header, go ahead and click on Design Options. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Apply to this page only. By selecting this, you enable customization of the header specifically for the page in question, offering flexibility if different pages need unique headers. With the header selected, let's change its appearance by modifying its color. Go to the Inspector panel, which you can find either on your screen's right hand side or under Design, followed by Customize Design. Within this panel, search for the option that says background color. Now, if you're feeling creative, you can even add an image or video for a more dynamic look. Otherwise, select your new background color. Remember that this adjustment only reflects the current page, which can be a great way to differentiate various sections of your site visually. After making your changes, it's always a smart idea to check how everything looks before making anything permanent. Click on Preview, located at the top right corner of your editor. This option lets you browse through your site just as your visitors would, ensuring everything appears as intended. Pay close attention to your header. It should remain distinct solely on the specific page you modified, serving as a visual cue of your customization skills. Feeling satisfied with how everything looks and ready for it to go live, simply click on Publish. This ensures your hard work is out there for the world to see. This step finalizes the changes, and your updated header will now be visible to anyone who visits your site. Finally, once everything checks out and the site is live, make sure to click on Done. This wraps up the editing process, and your changes are safely saved in the cloud, ensuring you can always revisit and modify them later. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to customize your site's header. With these steps, you can revisit anytime you wish to tweak or make additional changes to keep your site fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.